welcome back to the channel, Wheater's Whiskey and Watches. So, something special today. I spent 2 days making this. This is bacon-infused bourbon. So we did the Elijah Craig rye, about 94 proof. So I'll put a little picture up here as to how I did it. So this takes a day or two, and you got to do it right or it doesn't come out. But when it does, oh man. So today's bacon-infused bourbon cocktail is the Pecan smoked bacon maple old fashioned. Pecan smoked bacon maple old fashioned. And I got nothing but a classic 1976 chronograph that I can't wait to show off. I've been waiting to show this off for a long time. So it's the only thing I can think of that goes perfect with bacon, because every time I look at it with the brown color, it reminds me of bacon. So, all right, let's get to mixing this drink. All right, I'm gonna make this as quick as possible because it's 91 degrees out today. So hopefully this ice sticks with me. Plus this is chilled. That's the other thing about when you bacon infuse the bourbon. Oh my goodness, you can smell it. All right, we're gonna do, we'll do 2 ounces. 2 ounces of the bourbon. There's 1.5 ounces. And we'll go the other side, another 1/2 ounce. 2 ounces bacon infused bourbon. We'll make it sweet with the bacon, so we'll do 1/2 ounce of the crown maple syrup. Awesome. We will do 4 dashes of the orange bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's give this a stir. Stir till it's cold. Strain into a big cube. In your favorite whiskey glass. Oh, that's a great pour right there. There's a good cocktail. Man, I'm telling you what, you can smell like I'm frying up bacon right now. That's incredible. All right. Now, let's put this up here and we'll smoke it with some pecan. Right. Put your volcano rock cocktail smoker up there. This pecan is really good smelling. Great aroma. Couple chips. And let's burn it away. And watch that thing smoke. Right. Let's take that out of there. Look at that. Alrighty, right. Now let's top it off and garnish it with a bourbon soaked cherry. And there you have the pecan smoked bourbon infused maple old fashioned. All right, let's taste this guy. Let's give it a shot. Like I said, first off, you can smell it, and then the pecan, oh, everything smells so good, aromatic. Oh my God. This turned into a religious experience. My goodness. People, infuse your bourbon. Bacon infuse your bourbon. This is so delicious. Everything came together perfectly. Probably could have maybe put an orange oil of essence around there, something like orange peel, but that's about it. But not necessary. This is absolutely delicious. The maple syrup, the bacon, it's absolutely delicious. like candied bacon almost. It just tastes so good. It's very balanced. It's sweet. It's a sweeter drink, so. But that pecan, oh, that set it right over the top. This is so delicious. It's my favorite. I'm just gonna say right now, it's my favorite until I probably make the next one, who knows. So this only keeps for about 2 or 3 weeks, so you have to drink it. So, but keep it in the fridge. It'll probably stay a little longer. Make sure it stays sealed. And with this too, I rendered only about 1.5 ounces of bacon fat, 2 ounces right around there. And then you warm it up and then you whisk it and then you put it in the freezer, and the fat freezes for about 4 hours. Fat freezes, you skin it off the top, and then you put it back into the bottle with a coffee filter, and it just slowly trickles like you're brewing your own bourbon. So it's a really, and it's worth the wait. It took about an hour to get all of this liquid back into this small bottle. So, oh, that's the way to do it. So, oh my goodness, I gotta take another drink. Oh, so good. All right, let's review the Seiko 1976 Seiko chronograph Bullhead, or Speedmaster is what they call it. So let's put this on the table and we'll check it out. All right, there it is, my favorite chronograph ever. This thing, I've searched and searched for it. They're hard to find in this type of shape. So obviously it's a Seiko. It's a 1976. The movement in it is a 6138 movement. The model number is a 6138-0049. Case material is steel. It's got 20mm lug width. I got it on a really nice chocolate leather bracelet right now. It comes with a steel bracelet, and the steel ones are really hard to find. Case diameter is 44mm. The dial color obviously is gold with brown, or brown with the gold, and it's an automatic movement, of course. So, but really cool. Let me show you how this snapback works. Start your chronograph with this button and let it go for a few seconds. We'll let it go for 10-15 seconds here. Stop it with the same button, and it's a flyback, so instantly it just bam. So this is really important. Any of them that you buy, if this does not go up to the 0 mark or the 12 mark perfectly, it needs to be adjusted. So, and it's an expensive adjustment, so you got to take it to somebody that knows what they're doing. But what a beautiful watch this is. This is, like I said, my favorite. And of course, every time I look at it with the brown, you know, the 70s brown color, it reminds me of bacon. So obviously I had to infuse the Elijah Craig today. So great watch. They range anywhere now from $625 all the way up to $2,500. So there's different models that are probably a little more expensive. So you just got to shop around. And if you see a good deal on this, don't pass it up. This is a great Seiko. Waterproof. It's got good water resistance. I think it's, I want to say it's 50 meters, but it might be 100. I'll look. But which is pretty good. But if not, but I would never swim with this thing ever. So, but I'm not you. So, oh, let's get back to this whiskey. What a great watch. What a great drink. What a great day. 90 degrees today, man. Great day for a cold old fashioned. All right, there it is. The Seiko Speedmaster Bullhead chronograph. So perfect with this, man, oh man, this bacon-infused bourbon. Oh my goodness. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll put some links in how to make this bacon-infused bourbon. Go to my Amazon affiliates page. I'll list a lot of this stuff that I got around here. Stuff to make drinks and cocktails. So, man, I appreciate everybody. Cheers. God dang it, man. Whew, I'm gonna stay out here and finish this drink.